and welcome to
This and That
Productions.
So I was cleaning up my dog's poop in the backyard, and they kind of do. Yeah, and I was walking, taking my trail, making a YouTube video. I was cleaning up the poop, and I found this. I think my cat killed it, but then, I was going back to my porch so I could go inside, and I'm all like, well, I'm like, oh, is that more dog poop? And then I'm like, did he eat a cockroach? And my mom said, no, it's probably bird intestines from that bird. So that's what it is.
That's just gross. Are those like kidneys or something?
I don't know. So that happened, and my cat did it. So I don't think so.
I think it is. It looks like bird intestines.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys.